What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Michael, and this is my channel Swamp Steez, where we go hunting and fishing across Louisiana. So since hunting season has started, we've been going out every week trying to get on some birds, and it's just not happening. Over by the camp is just really slow. We have lots of days where we shoot 2, maybe 3 birds, but yeah, it's been very tough. But in the meantime, until we get back on some birds, I've got an awesome fishing video for you guys where I get on a personal best red and we catch about 30 specks. So let's get into it. Well, we just got out, pulled up to spot number 1, and we got birds diving. So we're gonna get some popping corks on, start throwing. Hopefully we can get on some trout. Ooh! Hooked up, speckled trout. Let's go. First cast. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, that was a keeper. He got off. Man, what a bummer. It's all right, there's more where that came from. They hit hard. Looked like a solid 12-incher. I'd probably cut it. Right when I hit the water. Man. Is it a speck or a white? Speck. There it is. There it is. First keeper in the boat. 12 and a half. Number 1 for me. Spot number 1 produced 1 keeper and a bunch of small trouts. So we saw some more birds diving, so we moved to the next group. Will's on the specks, baby. Will's on the keeper. Will's on the keeper. Let's go. Where's my cork? This freaking hook, dude. I think this hook on this thing sucks.
Yeah, it ain't as good as the regular.
Oh, got nailed. There it is. Oh, he wanted to rip the rod out of my hand. I think this is a good one, or it's a oh, it's a good trout. This is a good trout. It's not that great, actually. It's a little torpedo. That's a keeper. 12 inches, baby. Wonder how my hard plastic bait would do. There it is. This might be a keeper. Come on, be cool. Right in the corner of the mouth. Just what we want. Perfect, 12-incher. Just big enough. That's number 3. Excuse me, I'm busy catching all the keepers. This was a brand new bait this morning.
They don't hold up, man, them TTOs. You know, the hooks are kind of...
It's getting tore up like crazy. Like Rance said, I don't know about these hooks. They're questionable. The hook's bent sideways. Meanwhile, Will's got him a little white.
Yep.
Yep, a little white. But yeah, I don't know if I recommend these. It's catching.
I don't see any.
I'll give it that.
Of course, everything else is catching too. You know.
When the fish are hot, the fish are hot.
Yeah, they bite on anything.
Yeah. All right, that bite slowed down, so we headed out towards Black Bay. Found some birds diving. We're gonna give them a shot. More diving birds. Hopefully we can pick up a few specks here. Come on. Straight under. Oh, I think I got hit. It's hard to see over these waves. George is hooked up. There it is. There it is. All right, there it is. It's tiny, but it's a fish. That is a male. He's croaking his butt off. That might be a red. No, this ain't a catfish, dude. This isn't a catfish, dude. This is a red. George, go over me.
World record, dude. Got a world record gas top.
I think I found a red. Gotta batten down the hatches a little bit. If this is a gaff top, then your world record was beaten.
Where's that flipper?
Over by my feet.
Might be a big bull red though, because it's a red. Yeah. Take a break.
Maybe a
sandwich.
Or maybe a little jack?
Yeah, it could be a jack.
It wants to go where it wants to go, you know?
Well, may have to turn the stroll mode off. Go chase it.
No, he's not pulling drag. We're okay. Putting pressure on him. The thing is, look at this bail. Not too much on there.
How do you put a waypoint?
Down a little bit. We have 30-pound drag.
Got shrimp jumping.
dude. Sees this big bad red coming.
Water. We're gonna go up them birds when he gets this in.
I hope this is a nice bull red. Yeah, get ready, Lance.
Like some little 10-cent fishing pole you got. That's gotta be a jack fish.
I honestly think it might be a shark. They've been catching the piss out of them. I think it's a shark.
Yeah, it is.
It's a shark. That's the tax collector.
Hey, look, you do got a little shark.
I can't believe it hadn't cut the line, but it's teeth.
I've never caught a shark before.
Really?
No, it's not. It's a red.
Is it red?
Yeah, it's a red.
Mother.
It's a nice red. Oh, yeah. As soon as he sees the boat, he's gonna jet.
Gotta be tired though, man.
He's wore out.
Swamp Steve lands a pole red.
It's coming in. He's hooked. He's hooked on that little bitty hook. I don't think he's that big, but he's pretty big.
Nice, huh?
It's a good 30-inch, maybe.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a 15 pounds, 10, 15 pounds. What kind of net man are you?
Terrible, because I'm under the freaking boat now. Catching the motor. Now lift the motor.
Oh, hold on.
Alright, I'm off. Ranch just let it pass on by,
Still
dude.
pulling drag, man. You'd have pulled me overboard if I'd put that net on.
Yeah, because he weighed 40 pounds.
With his forward speed, I went. He went. He made a run.
Coming in, Rance. Landing for me.
Oh, Lord, help me.
There we go, baby.
That thing's 20 pounds, dude.
There we go.
Big ass red.
Woo!
You don't have a scale in here?
No,
You ain't got one of those chicken shit
took
scales?
it out. Is he even hooked anymore?
Yeah, he's gotta be hooked.
I don't think so. Oh, he's deep. I need pliers to get that out.
Pliers, yeah.
Woo!
Well, hold on, you gotta get a picture of that.
There we go, baby.
Hold on, I gotta get my phone out.
Man, reds. Ooh.
Let me get that picture. 36?
36 plus.
Watch out, Will.
Nice 36 plus inch bull red. Take a little reviving on him. There he goes.
Give me that catfish throw, Mike. Right there.
Man, what a fight. That was a big old 36 inch plus red. Probably took me 10 minutes to get him in. I am wore out. My arm is so sore. I wish we had a scale. I really would have liked to know what he weighed, but
20 plus.
yeah, he had to be at least 20 pounds like Rance said.
Plus, probably 25.
Man, That might be my best. That might be a personal best red. Let's get back on them specs.
Huh? Put the troll motor there.
Got you a keeper?
I think so. Rance might have a keeper.
Rance got him a keeper? I don't know,
I
Rance.
like one anyway.
I hope. Come on.
Jeez, that's a cat.
Flip him in. Flip him in. That's a good one. There we go, Rance. Was that number 6 for the box?
That's the way to do it.
There it is, baby.
Porpoise is coming by the boat and we're still catching trout.
There it is.
There's a big tall porpoise right there.
Yeah, it cleared the water. This one cleared the water. This might be a keeper. Or it might be a oog. No, I think it's a, oh, it's a nice trout. It's a nice trout.
Oh, look at this one, the biggest one of the day.
Woo! There it is. There it is. There it is. Oh, baby. Keep them coming. Man, finally found the specks. Get in there. Oh! Yank my pole out of my hand. This is another nice one. This is another nice one. Oh yeah, this is a nice one. Back it up, back it up. Back it up, back it up. Not as nice, but it's keeper.
That's a keeper.
It's a good 13-inch fish.
Which bait are you using?
Me, TKO shrimp, that is tore up, dude. This thing's tore up. And the barb on it's insane. I cannot unhook these fish.
The porpoise sees it, he's gonna grab it.
Nice 13-inch fish. Got you a good one? There it is, Rance. Get that thing in, man. Wow-wee. That might be the biggest one of the day.
Oh yeah, I felt that going. You got them way out directly.
We finally got in them. Finally getting in them. There it is. Will's hooked up.
Maybe we need to drop back a little.
No, no, no. Stay where we're at.
Way back, right.
These fish are on fire right now. There we go. I think he got off. That's fine though. I think that was a small fish. This bait is barely hanging on, but it's producing, so we're gonna keep throwing it. Look at them porpoises so close.
Oh, well, we ain't getting no bites now. I got a bite.
So you gotta wait for the porpoises to move away. When they move away, the trout start hitting again. Man, it's super exciting. Right next to these dolphins. It's wild. I think they might be a little to the right.
I'll make it fast out that way.
Yeah, I think that's where they're at.
That what makes you think that?
Huh?
You just.
Will hooking up and then you just hooked up again.
Yeah.
Cast that way, man.
Put the block on.
No. Cast that way. See? There it is. What did I say, Rance? Where did I say they were? To the right. Oh, he got off? No, he's coming with me.
Mine got off.
Mine's here. I told Rance where they were.
I ain't getting poo-poo.
I told him where they were.
Gotta keep it. No, maybe.
Slime you down real quick. Hooked him in his eye. This one's borderline. We're gonna have to check him out. Let's see what we got here. Oh, you're just shy, my man.
Shy?
11 5/8.
Oh.
Will's got him a nice one. That's a good keeper. Come on, Will.
Might actually have a keeper here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Baby.
That'll eat.
Have you contributed to the box yet, George? Yeah, I got one earlier.
I think that'll eat, George.
What do you mean?
Oh, he's 12 and a half, man.
Oh, yeah.
Easy. Easy, George. Maybe.
That might be a keeper.
Oh, I got slammed. Holy smokes. Drop it back 10 feet because that's not really going to be 10 feet. This is a good one.
He might be.
It's a keeper.
Look like the other one you had.
No, he's bigger.
I'm gonna turn the spotlight off right here.
Oh yeah, that's 12. He makes it. I've been knocking him out. Oh, hit me while I'm running. Hit me on the move. Yo, they might want a cast and retrieve. I think this is another keeper, man. I think it's a nice 12-inch speck. It's a male. He's honking. He tried to jump out. We denied him. A little over 12. Look at this thing. Look at that. Battered and beaten.
I wasn't even looking, like you just slammed by. Those little ones can hit you hard.
It's those males, yeah. Oh, slammed. This has got to be a cat. No, not a cat. I think this is a nice one. I think this is a nice one. Oh yeah. 100% it's a keeper.
They just kind of like been the favorite bait, huh? What is that? Purple or
No, it looks like an avocado with a chartreuse tail. Okay. Will's going airborne. There you go, Will. Another keeper. Rance with the keeper. Nah, Rance doesn't have a keeper.
I might have a keeper.
We tripled up. We're back in them.
Oh yeah.
George with the for sure keeper. All right. He's swimming his way on the Will. Coming to get put in the box. That's 3 keepers out of 4. Pretty solid. We'll take it. This might be a keeper as well. This is a keeper as well. 4 out of 5 keepers. It's gonna be close. Nope, that's 11 and a half. Not even close.
So what is this?
You're under, you're under. I don't know, it came up.
Oh, the catfish, so I took it on this.
Yeah. It's a white. It's a big white. A pretty decent sized white.
Yeah. I don't think I might keep them.
No, I wouldn't keep them. We got enough specs. See shrimp?
Yeah.
Where?
Right by our fort.
Oh, really? I didn't see it. Got shrimp jumping back here by the corks, Will says. Oh, did we just get nailed at the same time? This is a nice one. I even tightened my drag. This might be a cat. This might be a cat.
Keep catching white. Oh, you keep throwing it because they throw back, you know?
This might be a cat. Oh no, it's a nice speck. Get out the way, get out the way.
Oh yeah. Get him in, Swamp.
Get out the way, baby. Let's go.
That might be the biggest one.
Let's go.
Biggest one of the day.
On this tore up TKO shrimp. Look at this thing, guys. Still using it.
Look at the color of this thing. So I gotta buy me one of them things. Okay, yeah, it's like
Look at the color of this thing. You like that?
No, I like it. Yeah, I don't like it like they did Amazon at the racetrack.
You don't like it like that, Dos Equis? Man, what a day.
About time, huh?
Everybody's been smashing them all summer, and it took until today for us to finally get on them. The river's what, 3 feet today?
Went down.
It's like 3 feet. Oh, got nailed. We got nailed right here.
Needed that white shrimp to get big enough. That's right, the white shrimp. White shrimp are late. They finally starting to move on a little bit. That's the only reason why we catch them, because they got shrimp in the water.
Everything's in one place.
This is a small fish. All those little hits, it's these little guys. So if you made it this far into the video, I'm sure you're wondering, how do you catch speckled trout in Delacroix? Find the birds. Get you a good popping cork, nice 3-foot leader. Find some birds. If the water's dirty, use a dark color bait. If it's clean, use a light color bait. Move around. It's like the fish move with the boat, huh? Man, it's so hard to see. If they don't yank it, you just gotta feel it out. Yep, exactly. This is a trout. Is it a keeper? That's questionable. Maybe.
You're right, that's a keeper.
Oh yeah. So weird. Some of the small ones fight harder than these medium-sized fish. These nice 13.5-inch fish. Well, 11.5 will fight just as good. They're like $5 for 2 of them. Oh, there we go. That's a keeper. That's a keeper, George. Easy.
Oh yeah.
12.5. Into the box she goes. There he goes. There he goes. Got him a little torpedo. And I do mean a little. Show me what you got.
Cigar trout.
That's making the video for sure. Keeper or no?
No.
No keeper. I don't know.
It might be. It's long.
I think that might be a keeper, man.
Yeah, that might be.
I think that's a 12-incher. We swap positions. I got on your side now. I'm catching the white trout. You're catching the barely keeper specks.
Maybe it's inside the boat, huh?
There's a keeper.
That's a keeper. She'll keep. There you go, baby.
God damn.
There he goes. There he goes. Is that a keeper? He looked kind of big on the water. He got him a keeper.
If they telling these guys, oh yeah, you're fighting for free, they fighting for.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That was a nice one.
Put him on that board. Let's see what he is.
10, 15.
No, let's see what we got. 13 inches. Come on.
That was my last.
Come on, Rance.
Yep, let's roll.
Hold on. It's my last cast, dude.
We have too many fish to clean.
That is going to be it for this one, guys. Finished the day with about 30 specks, and I had that monster red. Man, that thing was awesome to catch. There's nothing better than hooking into a nice bull red. It's just my favorite fish to catch. But yeah, we're gonna head out to the camp tomorrow in hopes that there are some more birds in our area. I talked to some guys that have been hunting throughout the week, and they smacked them, so I have high hopes. But yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and drop it a like, give me a subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.
You could find me in the valley of the river, man, way out where the moccasins live. You could find me where the black water flows, where the sawgrass sways and the cattails grow. Ooh, I've been